Hello, I just want to do a short video to show you how to use Codecademy to do some C# work. So let's get into, oops, not that, Codecademy here, and you will log in. It's really code. You cut off the A and then Academy for the rest of Academy. Anyway, I've got the link in Google Classroom. But when you log in with using Google. So log in as with your student Google account should be fine. And you will come to, we're going to do the Learn C# lesson. I happen to be in lesson 2 just because I've been trying them out to make sure that they're decent. I just want to give you an idea of what they look like because it's the same principle for the same layout for all of them. So you'll have 3 task panes. Over here you've got instructions and information you read, and then instructions on the left pane. The middle pane is code, and then when you run the code, the output shows over here on the right. And I'm not even sure if there'll be any output for what I'm showing you now, but anyway, so you'll read this and really do read it. It's very short. It's got nice examples, so don't skip through it or you're going to get stuck later. So you'll read. Some of this is review. Some of it will be new. It won't pertain to games, but that's okay. Okay, so the instructions here, it's talking about, and I already read that stuff, it's talking about how to create a variable or a numeric variable. So first thing we have to do is save our age on Earth in a variable named user age. So we go over here. I'm going to do it right under this comment. It's an int. Let's pretend I'm 29. Why not? Oh, shoot. Sorry, my number lock's not on. Oh, geez. There we go. Still pretending I'm 29. And then you can run it. Nothing's going to show over here because the program's not set up to do that yet, but you'll see whenever you run it and it's properly coded, you'll get a little turquoise box with a check mark in it. So that's what you want for each instruction. So you'll work through here, and this one has several steps, and they're easy like that. It's just like creating, 1 or 2 little lines of code. Anyway, and each time you'll run it, and it'll give you a little check mark. When you get to the end of a particular lesson, you'll see a yellow square just like this, or yellow button like the one that says run, but it'll say next, and that will take you on to the next lesson, or the next, step in this lesson. So that's what we'll be working on for our online e-learning.